Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you what is shown in the quotation. In the topic quotation, you can find all the articles that are used in your PV project. You can find them with an item number, the description, the quantity, and the price per unit. In the right bottom, you can find the total price for the whole project. The quotation is separated in 3 groups: the roof group, a project group, and their own articles. In group 1, you can find all the articles that are on the roof. If you want to change the quantity, you can edit the number. Just type in the new number and click on Save. Now the quantity has been adjusted. You can also remove a position completely. In the quotation, the solar modules are now missing. You can also add articles manually. When you click on the button Add Articles, you can select an article category and in this category you can select the item, then you type in the quantity and click on Add. Now the item will be shown in the quotation. The same thing you can do for the project group and for own articles.